Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Ardenne Prep up against Unity Prep, both from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and of course, questions will be asked alternately. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss, and Unity Prep won and decided to send Ardenne Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Ardenne Prep. Bible knowledge, complete this beatitude according to the King James Version. Blessed are the peacemakers.
That worship me.
Incorrect, for they shall be called the children of God. Bible knowledge, unity, complete the beatitude according to the King James Version. Blessed are the poor in spirit.
For theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question, Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Ethiopia.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question, Unity. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
India. India.
That's right. Science, Ardenne. What is another name for the gullet in humans?
Esophagus.
Correct. Science, Unity. What is the name given to the large tubes that connect the trachea or windpipe and direct the air you breathe to your right and left lungs? Time has passed. Would you like to try, Ardenne?
No, sir.
Bronchioles. Ardenne, your question. It's a visual and it's television. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Johnny Depp.
Incorrect. Chuck Norris. Television, a visual question for you, Unity. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan.
Correct. English language, Ardenne, spell spiritual.
Spiritual.
Correct. English language, Unity, spell intellect.
Intellect.
Correct. Sports, a visual question, Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kevin Durant.
Incorrect. Carl Anthony Towns, NBA star. Sports, a visual question, Unity. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Nikola Jokic.
Correct. General knowledge, Ardenne. In the health sector, what does the abbreviation HIV mean?
Human immunodeficiency virus.
Correct. General knowledge, Unity. In the health sector, what does the abbreviation AIDS, that's AIDS, mean? Would you like to try, Ardenne?
Yes, sir. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.
Correct. Social studies, Ardenne. What is the average distance of Venus from the sun in kilometers?
It's our question. 500,000 kilometers.
Incorrect. 108 million kilometers. Social studies, Unity. What is the average distance of Mercury from the sun in kilometers?
185 million kilometers.
Incorrect. 58 million kilometers. Ardenne. Music. The Melody Makers was the name of a Jamaican group who were children of which singer?
Bob Marley.
Correct. Unity Music, the Jamaican artist known as Chino McGregor, is the son of which singer?
Freddie McGregor. Freddie McGregor.
Correct. Mathematics, and we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Ardenne Prep on 6 and Unity Prep also on 6, so it's a tie. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. It's much easier to get better results if you do work consistently from the start of the school term. Stay on top of homework and assignments so you don't have to play catch-up the rest of the term. A friendly and important tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.